Honey, can hear you.
Okay, hello, ma'am. All right. So, hello, Tosca. Okay, all right. So, good afternoon again. By the way, is your mom still there, Tosca?
No, later, later. Tapos
Ah,
hindi sa picture.
ma'am. Hello po, ma'am. Ma'am, bale, no class po pala kami tomorrow kasi wala
Okay.
absent po ako tomorrow. Thank you
Sige
po.
po. No problem.
All
Thank
right.
you,
So,
ma'am.
thank you po. All right. Hello, Tosca.
Me?
Yes, I can hear you na. Okay. Magandang hapon, Tosca.
Teacher.
Ha? Donald Duck ka na. Again, magandang hapon po. Ulitin natin. Use your natural voice. You're like Donald Duck na. Kilala mo si Donald Duck?
And
Okay,
Donald
ayusin.
Duck.
Donald Duck ka na. Okay, ulitin natin. Tosca. It's like imagine that you're also in school, ha? Okay, magandang hapon, Tosca.
You don't say that. No?
Talaga? Sa school? Hindi niyo binabati ang
You said
isa't
Maga.
isa?
I don't know. I forgot what do we say at school.
Baka
But my
umaga.
classmates know.
Umaga, Tosca is morning. Magandang umaga, morning po yun. Magandang hapon, it's afternoon. Okay, kasi afternoon ngayon. Okay, Tosca, alright, we will start again. Yung ginawa natin kahapon na anong ginagawa mo, Tosca? Kakain ka na po. Ano yan? Chowking. Wow, sarap naman. Halo-halo. Sige, pwede ka.
Checking.
Kakain ka na ba? Di po sabi, gutom ka na ba, Tosca? Gutom ka po ba? Sige, pag gutom ka, sige, I will let you. However, kahit na kumakain, pwedeng isang subo lang ha. Isang subo ka at the time. Para makasagot ka pa rin sa
I
klase. Kasi
don't eat this anymore.
kasi ang init ngayon, 'di ba? Napakainit. Mainit din
I
po
have
ba sa
ice cream.
inyo, Tosca?
What?
Mainit
What?
din po ba sa inyo? Mainit.
Papa, it's so hot.
Okay, pareho
Yeah,
dito.
it's so hot.
Mainit din, sobrang init, okay? 'Pag sa English, very hot, sa Tagalog, sobra, sobrang init, okay? Ayan. Alright, so Tosca, okay, let's continue na ito. Kahapon, napag-aralan natin yung, ano na ulit yun? Ano yung pinag-aralan natin kahapon?
Teacher,
Yes.
why did it change? It's actually a little bit weird here because it's actually
Tagalog, Tosca. Yes, Tagalog one.
okay, I'll never talk again.
Bakit? 'Di ba sabi ni teacher, laging gamitin ng Tagalog. Okay. Sige, gamitin natin yung book mo po. Alright. So, eto po ang book mo. Okay. Pandiwang panghinaharap. Anong ibig sabihin na nun, Tosca? Pag pandiwang panghinaharap, action word that is, ano? Ano ulit ang pandiwa o salitang kilos na
Pandila
panghinaharap?
is actually Pandiwa is action word.
Tama. Paano yung panghinaharap?
Hooray!
Panghinaharap.
Describing word.
Oh, no. Yung aspeto ng pandiwa, 'di ba? Pangkasalukuyan. Ano yung isa? Panghinaharap at pangnagdaan, 'di ba? Panghinaharap, action word that is, ano yon? Tosca, action word that is, listen,
Action
nice
word
screen. Action word that is,
that is
ay nakalimutan ulitin, pangnagdaan. Action word that is already
done.
done. Paano yung pangkasalukuyan? Action word that is,
Action word that is done.
no, pangkasalukuyan.
Uh,
Ha,
hmm.
kasalukuyan.
Lukuyan.
Oh, ano yan? Action word that is, ay nakalimutan nito. Isang araw pa lang nating hindi natakal. Ongoing,
Already done.
happening right now. No, if it's already done, pang nagdaan. Tosca, pang nagdaan. Okay, nakuha? Pero, pag panghinaharap na sinasabi, hinaharap, action word that you will do it later. Are you listening? You will.
It will you do it later.
Oo, gano'n. Okay, halimbawa ito, halimbawa, pupunta, kakain, tatawid. Oh, Tosca, listen. Ano po ang tatawid?
Tatawid.
Oo, anong tatawid sa English?
Tweeting.
Ha?
Tweet.
Wait, hindi, tatawid. Tatawid is you will cross the road, 'di ba? Cross the road. Halimbawa, 'di ba example sa school nyo, 'di ba usually there's a line in front of your gate or sa mga kalsada, 'di ba may makikita kang color yellow na lines like this? So it's where you can safely walk in the road.
Safely walk in the road.
Opo, pedestrian lane. Have you seen pedestrian lane? Tosca, nakakita ka na ba ng pedestrian lane?
What is pedestrian lane?
Pedestrian lane. Dapat alam mo to, Tosca. Pedestrian lane, it's a yellow. Yellow. Ito. Ayan, yellow or white pala. Okay, yan. Is where it's a safe place where you can cross the road. Pedestrian. Okay, nakukuha ba? Sa harap ng school, in front of your school, sometimes they have like this, pedestrian lane. Okay? Tatawid is the one, okay? In English, crossing the road. Tatawid. You will cross the road. Okay? Nakuha na? Tatawid in Tagalog, Sophie, it's Tosca.
Tatawid in Tagalog is a road.
No, tatawid. Action word, di ba? Road is a noun. Listen.
yellow thing. The yellow thing.
No, pedestrian lane, that one. Tatawid will cross the road. Tosca, listen. Will cross the road. Tatawid.
Will cross the road.
Okay, tatawid ka. Okay, nakuha. Tosca, are you listening? Are you looking at the screen? Tumingin sa screen. Okay. Susunod, sasakay. Ano ang sasakay?
Sasakay.
Sasakay. Ano yung sasakay? Tosca.
Sasakay is
Dapat marami ka ng alam ngayon. Lagi natin sasakay, Tosca. Sasakay means will ride. Will ride. Will ride a tricycle, will ride a car. Sasakay. Okay? Nakuha na? Again, ano yung tatawid? Tatawid first. What is tatawid?
Tatawid, it's crossing. I will cross the road.
Very good. Sasakay. Anong sasakay?
Sasakay, it's absolutely. Oh, I know. It's sasakay. It's
Will
drive.
ride, not drive. Ride po. Ride. Tosca. R-I-D-E. Ride. Okay, will ride. Okay, so yan. Huwag kakalimutan niyang Tosca ha. Tosca, practice. Pag sa klase, magtagalog ka ha. Even Taglish, I appreciate that one. If you're going to answer Taglish, at least you're doing all your best, okay? Eto, Tosca, ang gagawin mo, you're going to make, or 'di ba salitang kilos is action word. Oh, you're not looking at the screen. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, halimbawa, ang guro ay magbibigay ng pagsusulit. Okay. Pagsusulit is what?
Magsusulit is right?
No, test, exam. Test. Tosca, pagsusulit. Okay. Ang guro, di ba bigay? That is the action word. You're going to make it panghinaharap. Di ba magbibigay is the panghinaharap form of the word bigay. Ganon ang gagawin mo. Nakuha ba, Tosca? Okay.
Bigay.
Basahin ang number 1.
Si Dan ay punta sa paaralan.
Okay, ano po ang paaralan?
Paaralan is...
Be familiar with those words. Paaralan, Tosca.
Paaralan.
It's a place. What place is paaralan? Tosca. Is it a mall? Is it a church? It is a what else?
Church.
Market. Church is simbahan.
Okay, next one. Mall.
Mall is mall. Still a
House.
mall. Yan sinasabi ko kasi laging makinig kay teacher. Paaralan is school. Okay? Ano ang school sa Tagalog?
School sa Tagalog is Paaralan.
Okay, ano ang paaralan sa English? Ah?
Paaralan is
Oh, in English.
Robinsons.
Anong Robinson? Paaralan. Tosca, school. Di ba binabaliktad lang ni teacher? Okay, ulitin natin. Paaralan. Tosca, bilisan. Paaralan.
Paaralan. Paaralan. Paaralan.
No, say it in
Paaralan.
English. Di ba sabi ko, pag sinabi ni teacher yung Tagalog, say it in
School.
English. School, school.
School.
Tagalog, school.
Paaralan.
School.
Paaralan.
Paaralan.
Mall. Mall.
Paaralan. Make it fast.
School.
School, school.
School. School.
School in
Paaralan.
Tagalog. Paaralan. Okay, ganun na. Okay, anong gagawin ni Dan? Tosca. Si Dan ay blank sa paaralan.
Si Dan magpupunta.
Walang magpupuntang word. We don't use
No.
magpupunta. Parang will go sa Tagalog, sa English. Will go. Use here. Sit properly, Tosca. Po. Punta, pumunta, pumupunta, or blank. Double the first two letter sound.
Double the two letter sound.
First,
Pupunta.
yun, tama. Ano? Si Dan ay pupunta sa paaralan. Anong ibig sabihin? Tosca, wait a moment. Anong ibig sabihin ng pupunta? What is the meaning of pupunta?
Pupunta is will.
Will? What will?
Will go.
Will? Louder.
Will go to the school.
Very
Will
good,
go
tama.
to school.
Pupunta. Ayan. Si Dan will go to school. Okay, Dan ay pupunta sa school. Okay. Paano mo sasabihin na Maria will go to the market?
Maria will go to the market.
Maria will go to the market. Ano yan sa Tagalog? Make it in Tagalog nga. Practice tayo.
Si Maria
Si Maria ay
pupunta sa kantina.
market. Ano ang market? Be familiar with the
Mall.
Tagalog. Mall is a word. You can still use mall pa rin, Tosca.
Mall.
Palengke.
Palengke.
Palengke. Again, market in Tagalog.
Palengke.
Palengke. School in Tagalog.
Paaralan.
School in Tagalog. Ralan. What is the Tagalog for market?
What?
Market. Lengke. Palengke. Again, market.
Market.
Tagalog. Tosca. Then school.
School. Paaralan.
Very good.
Go to my mom.
Church. Wait, later na. Church muna. Bakit? It's really important ba?
No.
Diba? After, we have a 5 minutes. You can go after 5 minutes. Okay, again, church is simbahan, Tosca. bahan. Repeat, Tosca. Church,
Simbahan.
church.
Church is simbahan.
Okay. Market.
Market is palengke.
Very good. School.
Paaralan.
Very good. Ano pa ba? A mall, you can still use mall, ha? Mall is still use mall. Okay? Ayan, very good. Yun naman usual. Yeah, mall. Okay? Okay, susunod. Mm, Okay, number 2 na tayo. Number 2, ang
Dapat Robinsons.
mall pa rin yun, Tosca. Okay, basahin. May Robinson ba sa Rizal or SM?
It's actually Robinson.
Ay, Robinson ang meron sa inyo. Sige. Okay, basahin number 2, Tosca.
Number 2 is ang mga bata ay lalaro ng Pico bukas.
Okay, anong sagot, Tosca?
I just said lalaro.
Walang lalaro. It's letter L, Tosca. Di ba may clue words tayo doon?
Naglalaro.
Naglalaro? Will, Tosca?
Lalaro.
Nag? Are you sure you're going to use nag? Diba, there's a rule if you use nag, change it into
Will play.
nag, Tosca. Remember the clue, yung rules natin. Nag, change it into what word? One letter lang yung papalitan mo dyan. Change one letter from the word nag. Change the letter N into letter M. Hay, Tosca, nakalimutan yung mga rules. Maglalaro ng piko bukas. Okay, again. Ang mga bata ay maglalaro ng piko bukas. Alam mo ba ang pikong laro? Do you know the piko game?
What?
Piko. Alam mo ba ang piko? Piko is like you're going to draw boxes in the ground like this. Ayan. Then after that, you're going to throw some stone or anything that you have, and you don't need to step on that place. If you have a stone, or if there's a stone in there. Nakuha? Now, have you tried to play this one? Pico. We call it pico. Nakuha?
Why the pecans in the chocolate?
No. Pico is Tosca. It's a old tradition Filipino game before. Okay? Because kasi dati Tosca, we don't have cell phones. We don't have TV. So we have TV, but we don't watch too much. We play outside kasi. Okay? Kaya we have those games. Pico ang tawag diyan. Yung
Oh, I
mga
remember I played that before.
oo. Ano pa? Tumbang preso, tumbang preso. Tumbang preso is you have a thin can in the middle and you're going to use your slippers
Throw
to
your
throw.
shoes. Throw your
Yeah,
shoes.
your shoes, pwede. And you need to,
I know that game.
yes, it's a tradition game pa rin. Tumbang preso, we call that one tumbang preso. Okay? Marami
And
pang
then you
iba.
throw your shoes away.
Yeah, hopefully you can still try those mga laro. Dapat nata-try nyo pa rin 'yan, okay? Balik tayo, Tosca. Maglalaro. Rules. If you use nag, change it into mag. If you use just double the two letter sounds. Nakuha na? Your turn na. Hindi na kita tutulungan dito kasi we did this one na, ha? 3 days. Dapat alam mo na ngayon. Number 3, ligo. Ano ang ligo? Ligo. What is ligo?
Ligo is take a bath.
Tama. Okay. Blank kami sa dagat sa Sabado. Dagat is?
Dagat
Yeah, what is
the
dagat?
sea.
Beach. Okay. Ngayon, anong sagot? Blank kami sa dagat sa Sabado. Ligo is the word.
Huh?
Ligo is
Liligo.
magliligo. Maliligo. So, toss ka. Maliligo. Okay? If maliligo kami sa dagat sa Sabado. Okay, next. Takbo. Ano ang takbo? Toss ka.
Tatakbo.
Tatakbo. Very good. Tatakbo. Yun na yung sagot. Okay, number 5. No, dapat read mo yung sentence. Toss ka. Tatakbo na ang... complete this sentence.
Tatakbo na ang mga panlalaro.
Manlalaro. Manlalaro.
There's a
Manlalaro.
lalaro here.
Toss ka. Listen. Manlalaro.
Manlalaro.
I'm not manlalaro. Manlalaro. Manlalaro.
Manlalaro.
Okay, manlalaro. Manlalaro is the one who will the representative of a competition. Example, you're really good in sports.
You need to run and you need to race somebody.
Okay, are you listening, Tosca? Okay,
Yep.
something in my eyes. Okay. So, manlalaro is the contestants, okay? The one who will, example, you're really good in game or playing any sports. Okay? We call you, you are the one who will represent your school. Tosca, manlalaro ka. Okay? Contestant. You are the player, for example, running, badminton, okay, any kind of sport.
Badminton.
O volleyball. So, manlalaro ka. Okay? Okay. Ngayon, number 5, Simba. Okay, so, Simba is will go to church or go church. Okay? Ano yan? Ano? Basahin muna. Tosca, wag answer ng answer. Basahin po muna.
Simba ang mang anak sa linggo.
Anong sagot? Will go to church.
Simba.
Will go to church. Okay, I will wait for you until you remember the word.
Okay. Nagsisimba. Nagsisimba.
Nagsisimba, are you sure? What is the
Yes.
rule? Rule is rule.
Magsisimba.
Ayun. Magsisimba, not magsisimba. Again, magsisimba. A little bit slow.
Magsisimba.
I already told you, a little bit slow. Magsisimba.
Magsisimba.
Magsisimba ang mag-anak sa linggo. Mag-anak is relatives of family. Nakukuha, Tosca? Mag-anak means family or relatives. Okay? Ayan. Okay, huwag kakalimutan yan. Magsisimba ang mag-anak sa linggo. Okay? Okay. Alright. So, ngayon, i-continue po natin ang ating aralin after 5 minutes break. Okay? Alright. See you later, Tosca. Good
Bye-bye.